Hello, boys and girls. It's Teacher Gigi, and today we're going to meet the 8 family. A T E 8. A T E. And if we add a D in front of 8, we get the word date. Now, let's brainstorm. Do you know any words that have ATE in it? Let's brainstorm a few words in the 8 family. Let's take a few moments for you to think of some words. Okay, here are some words that I came up with for the 8 family. Late, gate, plate, rate, crate. It's practice time. See the picture, say it out loud, write it, check it. Here we go. Say it. This is a calendar. We have circled the I hope you said date. Let's write it. Date. D-A-T-E. Date. Let's go to the next one. Say it. Looks like a gate. Write it. G-8. Gate. Now let's check it. Gate. Let's move on. All right, let's look at his watch and let's look at his face. Uh-oh, it looks like he may be late. Let's write it. Late. L-8. Let's check it. Late. L-A-T-E. Late. Let's say it. Hi, my name is... what could his name be? And it's in the 8 family. Let's see. If we put an N in front of 8, his name will be Nate. Nate. Let's write it. 8. Let's check it. Nate. Nate. N-A-T-E. Nate. Oh, here's a girl this time. Hi, my name is... What could her name be? And is in the 8 family. Let's think about with the letter K. K-8. Yeah, Kate. All right, let's write it. Kate. K-8. Kate. Let's check it. K-A-T-E. Kate. Let's move to the next one. Say it. If you said great, good job. Let's write it. Grate. Great. G-R-A-T-E. Great. Let's say it. Did you say crate? Crate. Let's write it. Crate. Crate. Very good. Now let's check it. Crate. C-R-A-T-E. Crate. Very good. Let's continue. Plate. Aha. Plate. Let's write it. Plate. Let's check it. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Let's say it. Woohoo! Skate. Write it. Skate. Skate. Let's check it. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. Say it. United States. Very good. States. write it. States. Let's check it. States. S-T-A-T-E-S. States. Hooray! Good job. You did it. You did so good, and you are so awesome. Now, let's move on to our extended act. This activity is called What Am I? Use the clues to help you guess the 8th word. What am I? I am a type of dish. Can you guess what 8th word this is? If you said plate, you are correct. Good job. What am I? I am the number on days of the month. Can you guess what 8th word this is? If you said date, you are correct. Woohoo! What am I? I am shaped like a square and sometimes a rectangle. If you said crate, you are correct. Crate. Good job. What am I? I am a country in North America. I am the United. If you said states, you are correct. Good job. What am I? I do this with wheels under both feet. If you said skate, you are correct. Very good. Now let's move on to our next extended activity, word scramble. This word is scrambled and it's the letters are M-R-T-S-A. It's something that you are that is smart. All right, let's continue with our word scramble. We're going to unscramble the letters to form a word in the 8th family. The letters are T, L, E, A. Well, we know that A, T, E are going to be the last 3 letters of the word, so that would leave us with L. 8. Let's see. Oh, here's another clue. Remember, this young man was late. If you said late, you are correct. Good job. We have the letters R, E, G, A, T. We know that ATE is 8, so that would leave GR. And she is grating. Looks like maybe cheese. Let's see. If you guess the word is grate, you are correct. Good job. Here's our next word. Let's see if we can get a clue. Oh, what is it? I bet you know exactly what the word is. If you said crate, you are correct. Good job. Let's see if we can have a clue. Aha! There's our clue. It's A. Did you guess it correctly? It's a gate. So our unscrambled word is gate. Here we have the letters T-E-A-D. I bet you know this one. Let me bring up the clue. Oh, there's a calendar. Date, you are correct. Good job. Awesome. Very good today, my friends. You did an awesome job with these extended activities. See you soon. Love, Teacher Gigi. And be sure to check out this next video. And remember, you are smart and capable.